Hey there, job seekers. Looking for a remote entry-level job? I've got you covered with 7 companies that are always hiring. First up, Preply.com. If you love teaching, you can become an online tutor in languages or subjects you're passionate about. Just create an account, set up your profile, and start teaching. Next, 99designs.com, calling all freelance designers. Whether you're into logos, websites, or graphic designs, this platform connects you with clients around the world. Third, Automatic.com. Famous for WordPress.com, they hire for various roles from customer support to development. If you're into tech, this is your jam. Fourth, check out WeWorkRemotely.com. It's a job board specifically for remote positions across multiple industries, featuring tons of entry-level opportunities. Fifth, GoTranscript.com. If you have good listening skills, become a transcriptionist. Transcribe audio files at your own pace and enjoy ultimate flexibility. Sixth, ClickWorker.com. Earn money by completing microtasks like web research and writing. It's perfect for those who want to work on their own schedule. Last but not least, PeoplePerHour.com, a freelance marketplace where you can bid on short-term projects. Find jobs that match your skills and start earning. And now, a deeper dive into one of my favorites, Preply.com. The application process is super simple. Step 1, create an account on Preply.com. Step 2, set up your profile with all the necessary details, your subjects, skills, and availability. Step 3, record a short video introduction to attract students. Step 4, verify your credentials by uploading certifications if needed. Step 5, submit your application and wait for approval. Once approved, set your rates and start teaching. Preply also offers ongoing support to help you grow. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into these opportunities and kickstart your remote career today. Thanks for watching and good luck. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.